Oke, bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillah wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah. Amma ba'du. Hello everyone. This is the tutorial video, and in this video I want to share with you how I make this web portfolio, and I made this with Tailwind CSS. Yeah, when I click to each section, it will scroll to the bottom, and when I click the logo, it will move to the top. And yes, I made this with the video from Mr. Sandi Kagali. Yeah, he's a good teacher, and this video I use this video membuat website portfolio menggunakan Tailwind CSS 3. And I made this and I made this from 2 days. So let's start. First, what we have to do is make a new folder, and I want to place my folder at the desktop. So I make this folder, and I name it portfolio. Okay, and yeah, we have to open it, and just open a new terminal, and click and type code space dot and enter. We will link it to the VS Code immediately. And as you can see, there's nothing file like this. There's nothing too, and also in VS Code, there's nothing inside portfolio folder. And first, we have to make a index HTML as always, and type a simple structure of HTML. We have to need this, and I use English, right? I use English with this. Just leave this one like this, and I want to change the title portfolio, my portfolio, and body. The first one, I want to make this hero section. Hero section is began from this part. There is a line here until this one, and before we do all of that, we have to put or install some of extension at VS Code, because we will use Tailwind CSS. Just open this extension, and this install live preview and live server, and also this, the most important thing, Tailwind CSS IntelliSense. Because we want to use Tailwind CSS, so install this extension. Live server is for this, like this. So the change will apply immediately, and this live preview. So the screen will be part two part. like this. This is a live preview. Yeah. So after you install that all, then let's begin. The first thing what we need to do is install our Tailwind CSS, Tailwind CSS to our VS Code, and you need to open new terminal in this section and type npm init, sorry, npm init Tailwind CSS min y, and why we and before we enter, we have to make sure that our computer, but that npm is installed in our computer. Okay, when we look at the Tailwind CSS, Tailwind CSS website, you can choose, you can visit this tailwindcss.com. There is steps to install Tailwind to the our VS Code. First, we have to type this and make sure your computer is installed npm inside that, and we enter. Wait, oh, there's an error. Okay, why am I bad? I won't add these steps. What we need to type is npm init space main y, just this, and enter. Wait a minute, wait a second. So there's an automatic, so there's system will automatically make a new file with JSON extension. When you look at this, the inside paget is this one. Make sure inside paget is this. Okay, then type here clear. It will begin from the first. And next step is follow these steps. First, install Tailwind CSS. We just need to copy this. Control V, enter. Wait. Yeah. The result is like this. The node modules will install it to our VS Code and also package log JSON. Just leave this two. We'll focus on index and package JSON. The next step is this. We have to change at this. We have to install also. We have to type this one. Control C and Control V. Enter. So the system will automatically create for us this file, and this file is we will make little change at this file later. And next, add the paths to all of your templates files in your Tailwind CSS file. This we will change inside content and make sure the change will link us to index.html like this. We put index.html at portfolio, and the Tailwind config.js is at the same folder. So we just need to type index.html and save like this. Just this one. Yeah, just this. And we move to the next steps. We have to copy all of this. Control C. and put the this uh, words to ah wait, yeah, we have to put these codes when we look at top. Nah, src input dot css, so we need to create new folder src and put inside src input dot css. Here we will make src folder and inside that input dot css. Enter. Now, and put all of this code inside input css. Control C and paste here, save and leave this one. Next step is we have to copy all of this code also. Control C, Control V, and paste that code on terminal. And make sure before we click enter, this direction is right, because it if this wrong, the code will not working. Make sure this direction is right. But on output, this input, right? But this is output. The system will make for us. So don't think about this. Just focus on this one. The direction is to input CSS. We take a look. Input CSS inside src. Input CSS inside src, and yeah. So this is right. Click enter. We look at here. The system will make for us new folder inside this or distribution inside that output css. Now, so don't think about this, it will change automatically when we make a little change at this html file. And yeah, so this is the last steps to install Tailwind CSS. And after that, make oh last step is this: link our html to output css. This link link css, and the direction is to this folder output css. Save. Why? Because all of Tailwind that we type on the index.html will automatically uh, type it in here too. That's the system, from the system. And we close the Tailwind config.js, output CSS, and leave. The last thing is index.html. Yeah, and after that we have to after that we will start our code. The first one what we will type is this one, hero section. Hero section, okay. From this two, inside hero section is two part, right, left and right. So what we'll need to do is make a hero section. We take a note here, hero section, right, section, and this is the open, and this is for closing, and off. Okay, we'll save. And the first one is section. We want to make section for section for hero with the ID home, because hero is the main content. Okay, and how to use Tailwind? We just type this class like bootstrap. Each class is linked to here. When we look at output CSS, now there is a lot of code, and we just need to type these classes. Example this field set, so the margin will set to 0 and padding to 0, or legend padding 0. That's for example. But I want to type here is padding top 36. And look this 36 mean 9 RAM or 144 px. So this not mean 36 px but 9 RAM. And next, inside section is container, and inside container flex warp, flex warp. So the flex is for display flex and flex warp. When I want to make this to the two part, kind of that. And inside flex warp is first part or left side. This is left side with the class width full, and also self center, and px for px is mean padding left and right, with the 4, and also this when you look a legend self center with 100% and padding left px padding left 1 RAM. Okay, so it mean the 4 mean 1 RAM, like this. And last thing, I want to make if the screen turn to the large LG mean large, the screen will parted to the width not full again. The first one is full, but when it parted to the large, when the screen turn to the large, the width will change to the to this to the half. The screen will turn to the half. Okay, why I focus it to full, why I put full here first, because I want to make mobile for mobile first, not for desktop. This is for mobile, and the large is for desktop. Next, inside this is the content, like h1 for this part, this h1 for this. Halo semua, or hi everyone, my name is Mike Wazowski. Hello every, or just use this e. I want to put inside here an emoticon. Click Windows and dot. Windows dot and use this without space. Hey, my name is Muhammad Muhammad Fakir Ali, and I want to make this uh, this one different from the hi my name. For that, I'm sorry. Put the close tag at the last here, so we can make a change at span. And how we make change at each one? First, we need to type font medium. I want to change the font to the medium, and also I'm sorry, not medium. I want to change this to the text space and font semi bold, and okay, select this. Control Shift when we look at here. Now the font will change to medium, and next one I want to change to this color, and we will use this color more often, so I want to put this color to here. Nah, put inside extend and type colors primary is this one. I forgot the height tag. I want to use this. Or sorry, maybe this one. Use color pick eyedropper to pick a color. Oh no, maybe this. Same, right? The heck is same. So I want to choose this and copy the heck code. Control G and close. Control V. Put front with hashtag and close with comma. And before that, we have to warp this with the uh, string. So this is for primary. And what we need to type is text primary. So the color will change like this. And also I want to put inside here to this color, because we will use this often. This color is same like this, and also this it's also this color. So we put inside here to secondary and here comma 2, and we will pick the color. No, with this. Oh no, or the color. I will take the color code from here. The slip. Sorry. No. Add this color. Text like this. Text like 500. 64748p. 64748p, and pass here, save. And also I want to make change. I want to this to the this one is primary and this is secondary, and this color type of color is dark. I want to make this dark. Just type here dark, put the close, and we need to back to the Tailwind CSS and choose this 0F172A. Copy it back and V, Control V, save, and enough. So we will now we'll make change on this section class. The first one, make this pen change to the block, and font I want to make this to the bold. Bold, bold, enter, save, look, and it's more bolder, and then font bold, and text change the color to the dark. And next I want to make this more bigger text for XL, and then margin top, save. Margin top is 10, and when the screen to the large, text also will turn to the 5XL, save. Okay, when the on the mobile mode, the text is for XL, and the screen turn to the when screen to the turn to the large, the text also turn to the 5XL, like this. Okay. Next is the this one, lecturer and content creator, but I will change this to the web developer. And this with the h2 sorry h2 web developer, okay. Web developer, refresh, and the class is class font. I want to change the font to the medium, and also text to the little bit gray with the secondary what we made earlier, and also text I want to change the size to the large, and then margin bottom is 5, save. But the with the margin is too short, just put between this BR. Save. We will make an enter, and then we will put a responsive tag here. When screen turn to the large, the text will change to the 2XL. Save. The next is this here. Now close this one and click Alt Z. Nah, it's more look more neat. And the next is this. I want to put here what a quote from hadith. So said khairun nas anfa'uhum linnas, and the translation is this: the best helper is who is he who the most beneficial 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 to help. Okay. Yeah. And we put class. We will make a styling here. First one is font medium, like always, like the before, and text also to the secondary, and the margin bottom is 16. Sorry, 16, and leading relaxed. Save. Look, it's like this. The result is look like this. Okay, and next is the button. The button tag. So what we need to do is type here a anchor tag. Inside here is which is this one hashtag, and inside here we will want to type call me or contact me, contact me, contact me, and we will style here with the text base and font semi bold, and then I want to change the color to the white text, white. And next is background. Background I want to change to the primary, and padding top and bottom is 3, sorry 3, and padding left and right is 8, and I want to change the border radius rounded full. Save, refresh. Now it looks like this. This looks familiar, right? I want to hover to hover hover. Maybe it will take a long video. I want to skip here. So like this. So it look like this. Nah, this is the last result. Okay, I put here over shadow. So when we put our cursor, it make a shadow when we look it. yeah, around the border, and also opacity turn to the 18, not 100%, more lighter. And also transition is for hover. I want to make duration is 300 millisecond, and is and out. Okay, now when the in and out, the hover is applied. Okay, and that is the left side. And next is the right side of hero. When we look at when we make the screen larger, wider. Now we will put an image here. So it look like, maybe not like this, but I want to put here an SVG image, and I have this image. So it look like this. Now an SVG, nothing to see here yet, because SVG is a lot of code. Maybe uh, when we take a look, maybe here you can see here, maybe open with open with what this, with Inkscape. Maybe we can see the preview of this one, or no, we can see, or we just this, the Inkscape is up here. It's not responding. The image is look like this, so I want to put this one to here to replace this image. So we just need to copy this from here to here, Control C and Control V, and we erase all of this content and put inside here just one tag, image. But before that, I want to put image inside new class, with class relative. I want to make this relative position relative, and also I want to put here image with 10, and what is this? Next is put image inside here, this image hero SVG. Now, so the screen will look like this, but I want to make it, this is at nah, I think it's, we need to edit a responsive. After that, after relative is, or this here, we put hero pick, and we put some classes with must, with is medium. See, nah, screen with the pick with is always medium, and next is relative, and margin left and right auto, so it places at the center. And I want to make, when the screen turn to the large, so the image will have margin top 9, and also right 0, save. Nah, and That's the hero section, but I want to flex what this is container. Yeah, it's like this. When we look at live preview or live server, nah, it's like this. And then we will put some of this, what we call it, margin. We'll put some margin here. So the container, because we warp it with container, after section is container and all of this content is inside container, so I will change container, and also I will apply this container at every section. So I just need to change the container with auto add here. Nah, sorry. Nah, theme. Inside theme, we will change a container and with a center. So it places at center true, and then padding 16 and close it with comma. Don't forget to put comma. Control save, and that's enough. Okay, that's yeah, this save. Okay, that's enough. When we look at here, oh, it doesn't work, or maybe here. I want to run the terminal. Just click up. Nah, type this again and enter. I hope this working. Okay. Okay, maybe this. We close this and yeah, I forgot to put something here. After extend, no, inside extend and after colors, I will put screens. Sorry, no, screens with 2XL and 1320px, and don't forget to put comma, and also here put comma here. Save, and I hope it working. So screen 2XL at the first is maybe not this, but I want to change the screen 2XL is at this size. Okay, and next we move, yeah, we placed it neatly, right? Okay, it's enough. Okay, so the screen will look like this. This is the result of hero, and that's end of hero. And now we move to the next section is this. I want to make, or maybe this first, I want to make about section, about me. So let's code here, and to not confuse us, just close this now and copy all of this thing, Control C, and then Control V, and we just need to replace the hero and other, and leave this one closed. First we need to change this about about section, sorry, about section, and this id is not home, id is about. And then container, we leave this like this. And first I want to change this. If the hero just has a padding top, I want to add more padding bottom with 32, and this is about. Okay, container, and inside container is flex and flex warp. Nah, okay, and inside that is two part, left and right. When we see now, left and right. Okay, save. Left side is about me, tentang saya, right? About me. Okay, we will erase all of this to make it clearly. So the class is still same. Wayful px4. This now we don't need self center, origin self center. We don't need it again. So the padding left and right is still same, and I want to make new margin bottom with 0, with 10, sorry. And yeah, this is right, and the screen when turned to the large, so it will make the the size will turn to the half. And I will put here h4, set here about me, okay. And after about me, after h4, I will erase this also. Nah, about me, and then h2, sorry, h2 with just text lorem. Maybe I will put here. Maybe I will put here 18 words. Nah, it's like this, and then okay, save. Wait a minute. Okay, I made a little bit change here at this SVG, so it placed at, we maybe close this about section. It placed at a hero section, and this right on the right side or on the bottom. This I put a little bit change at here at hero peak, at SVG. I change with width full, so the width is responsive, and also I put here relative and MX auto, or maybe we will put also empty. We just add more empty here, 20 maybe. Save. Nah, still like more comfortable to watch. This is 20. Okay, I change to 20, and this self n, so it will place it at right, always at right. And then this not changed, and this I made a change when the screen turned to the medium, so the max width is medium. This, we look at this is large, this is large. So, or this on a mobile, this is mobile. So when the screen turned to the medium, the width is still same like this until large text. Okay, maybe that's, I hope you understand what I did earlier. And we will close again hero section, and we move again to the about section, and we will style, I'm sorry, we will style the h4 class. The class here is this font bold, and to make this bolder, font bold uppercase, all is capital uppercase, and text primary, I want to change the text color to the primary, and then text size is large, and also I want to put some margin bottom 3. Save. Nah, uppercase. The last result is here. It's like this. About me. Font bold uppercase. Text transform uppercase. I don't know, maybe it doesn't work, but just leave this uppercase. And then text primary, text large, and then margin bottom 3. And H2, this is wrong, right? This is placed after H2. The H2 thing is what? Nah, no, here. Yuk belajar programming di BPU, but I want to change with this. Let's develop. Okay, let's develop and put some classes with font bold like h4 font bold, and text I want to change to the dark text dark, and text is 2XL, more bigger, and then I want to put some margin bottom, and also sorry, it's not 2 but 3XL. Okay, maybe I will just skip, or maybe I will pause the video so the end will show the result. I will show the result. Now this is the last result for H2. Let's develop. Now this is the result, and the class is font bold. I'll put this font to the bold, font weight bold, and then also text dark, the color dark, and text size is this 1 point or 30 px, and then text XL, right? And margin bottom is 20 px, and when max width medium, max width is medium, or this for 4048. And the last is responsive. When the screen turn to the large, so the text will also turn to the large. Nah, it's larger, right? Okay. And then next is about me, and then this p tag with the lorem, and I will maybe also I will pause this video, this scene. Now if this is the result, So it will like this. If you think how make this, so lorem is, I put lorem 16 and enter. So the text lorem will appear here, and I put a class font medium, so font width is 500, and then text base or font size is basic, 16 px, and then text is secondary. We put some secondary here, and also max width is XL, and then large. When the screen turn to the large, so the font size will change to the 18px. The first is 16px, so when screen to the large is 18px. So do like this. Okay, the text is changed. And next is this one. The right side or after this. We will make this one, mari berteman, or let's be our friend, or be our friend. Okay, I will also pause this video, and I forgot to put something here. Nah, when we look at here, at tentang saya, nah, we have some icon. When we click it, it will actually link us to the my YouTube channel and my Instagram account and my Twitter account and my LinkedIn account. But I do not put here yet anything. But I will make this at here too. I forgot. So let's put here at about. I will close portfolio section and open again about section. And I put it. I will put here. Yeah. After this paragraph, put some enter and type flex and item center. Enter. When we look here, oh, I forgot to put S here. Nah, a legend item center, so the item will appear here. And first one is YouTube. And then put some tick anchor with directory hashtag and target blank, so it opened at new tab, to the new tab. And as always, put some classes, but the class is little bit is longer, long, very long. Because of that, I will copy this class. Okay, Control V. Sorry, Control V. Nah, this is the classes. First one. I'm sorry. So when it's not appear here because there's nothing here. There is nothing inside tag a anchor. So I will put an icon from here. Okay, simple icons, and type here YouTube. Okay, wait, why it not appear here? YouTube. Actually, there's an icon here, and I don't know it's not appear. Open a new tab if I can. I don't know why it's not appear here. I don't know. But when actually there's an icon here, but you just and you just click this. Now it will copy it and SVG code and paste here. Control V. Now it's very long tag. Okay. Control Z is too long. That's too long. So just copy this and then Control V. Why it look like this? Control Z. I just copy one time and oh, we will check here. Note that no, does not look like this because I don't know why it look like this. This is an error. So I will fix and okay. Now actually it's like this. Just copy this one and we check again here at my notepad. Control A, erase all thing and Control V. Nah, actually it's just have a three three row like this. This is the true and copy here. Paste here. I'm sorry. Paste at here. Control V. Save. Nah, you look here. So the icon is appear here. And I will put some class more here. Add SVG. Where is it? Okay, SVG rule image and here. Okay, and look like this. The last result. YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn. If you wanna put more of account here, just put here maybe TikTok or Snapchat or another. And the icon, you can search icon in the simple icon. Just type Instagram and copy to, and if you want to copy, just click this and paste and put the copy here. After a tag, this is end of a opening a, put this svg, click maybe like this, pass, click, and it will fill it automatically, and the a close tag put here and do the same thing and will appear like this. And a classes, don't change the classes because it will same in every icon. So if you confuse it with this thing, so I will close this and also this, also I will close this. Actually it's just like this. Okay, and that's the last of about me. And then we move to the next section, and there is portfolio. Like before, we put here container, and inside container I want to make portfolio. It look like this. There. First one is the title and description from the title, like this is my project, blah 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 blah. But I fill it with lorem ipsum, and after that I will put here to the two flags or two flags, and at the mobile I put it to the one, so it look like this. Okay, yeah. So let's start. Yeah, the first one is put inside container with the div, new div, and the class is way full, or it mean width full, and then padding right and left, save, and enter this. We look with 100% and padding left and right 16 px. And inside this div is one div that warp this one, that warp all of this. So first I will put here max width is extra large, save, and then mx auto, so it places at center, and text center, text allegiance center, and then margin bottom 16 or 64, yeah, 64 px. Now inside this is first is h4, h4, the h4, and the content is portfolio, and the class mx, sorry, font semibold. Look here, portfolio, or we will type another here, h2 with our projects, and then p tag with lorem, maybe I will put here 17, or sorry, lorem 15. Okay, that's enough. So we start this portfolio with font semibold, and I want to change the text to the large, and also the color to the primary, and margin, I will put margin bottom to 8px. Enough, and we move to the next h2. First is font, I will put, oh sorry, class, and font bold, and text dark, and text is 3xl, and then margin bottom 4. This look like this, and I want when the screen turn to the small, or in this section, in this size, I want to make text turn to the 4, text 4. Okay, text for XL, And when screen turn to the large, so text also turn it to 5XL. See, okay, and that's enough. And then we move to the p tag with class font. I want to change it to the medium, and then text. Sorry, text. The size also is medium. Text MD. Sorry, text MD. Waste nothing about it. Okay, let's move and text secondary, and also MD text large. Save. Yeah, the first one is MD here, but I want to change to the text base because there's nothing MD at Tailwind. And then yeah, that's enough. Save. Yeah, the final is look like it, like this, right? It's enough. That's enough. And we move to the next part. Is here is this one. The projects. This is this. Of course, this is this pretend just to fill in this column, and yeah, of course, I haven't reached this level yet because this too wide. Shopee. I'm not the maker from Shopee, and also this Pepsi is too much for me, too high level. Okay, and I hope I will reach this level. Maybe sometimes I will make e-commerce like Shopee or maybe Tokopedia, and also landing page like Pepsi. I don't know. Yeah, move. Let's move to the code. Yeah, the first one we will make a new div. Yeah, and this is nah. Add this one. After this, we made new div with still same way full. And also, I'm sorry, way full, way full, and px4, and then flex and flex warp. Don't get it wrong, and just device center, just device center, and yeah, when the screen turn to the extra large, so the width will turn also to the this, and then mudding left and right will turn to the auto. Save. Okay, and we will fill it with the three page. Oh no, with the four boxes. First, I will make just one box, and the last I will copy from this first. First one is put here margin bottom 12, and put also padding for each side is 4, and also no, when the screen turn to the medium, so the width also change to the half. Now inside this, I will make warp for the image. class, I will make this rounded medium, or border radius medium, border radius 6 pixel, and then I will put also shadow medium, and overflow hidden. Save. Nah, inside this is image img src. Save. So put image here inside image folder, and make new folder with portfolio. Okay, and I will put my image here. Okay, everyone, I put my images here inside portfolio folder with the 4 big png file. Actually you can put here with jpg too, but I choose png, and I change the width and the height to 1 2.2. I change to 1 to 2 resolution. Yeah, 1 to 2 resolution. Now 1 2 resolution, like this. And just call it with this image portfolio. Put here login page, save, and next I'll put here width. No, here with width full. Save. No, save, and we move to the next is title for this title, login page, because this is login page. Again, with the class font medium and text base, and also text secondary to make a different color. No, it's wrong. I'm sorry. First one is font semi-bold, and then text extra large, and also text dark, and then margin top 5 and margin bottom 3. After that, I will put a paragraph with lorem, maybe with lorem just 10 or maybe 11 words. Save, and put a class with font medium, and text base, and also text secondary, and yeah, that's enough. Save, we take a look. Now it looks like this, but it's a little bit wrong because it's little bit wrong because I forgot to put class here for portfolio with pt or padding top 36, and also padding bottom 16, and then background. I want to change the background so it look like this. Nah, It's different, right? So background is slate 600. Save, refresh, uh, or maybe we'll look at here. Oh yeah, I forgot to run my terminal. This save, save. I hope it's working. Nah, it's right? It's working. So the portfolio is like this. Oh no, the background is too much. Too much, right? Not 60, not 600, but just 100. Save. Reload. Nah, same as this. Nah, okay. Reload. Okay. It looks same. So I just have to copy from this to this one. But first I'll put enter here. Okay, copy, Alt Shift down, Alt Shift down, Alt Shift down. Okay, that's enough. Just three. I just need three. Oh, four. I'm sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 2, 3. The last is 4. And change the picture with peak number 2 and this peak number 3 and also this number 4. Nah. And login pick and this not login pick. No. Where is it? This. Oh, and the second is also login back, and the third not login back but e-commerce. So e-commerce, e-commerce, and change this also with e-commerce, and then last is tribute or landing page. I'm sorry, landing page. If when we look to our it look like, but it's more bolder than this one because we forgot to put some classes. Okay, I'll put it in here. So that's different, but that's not big problem. So just leave this. If you want to make this border, just change this semi bold to the bold. Okay, so that's a portfolio section, and we move to the next section, and that is clients. Okay, the first one before we move, we have to close this tag and make it neat. Okay, we close this tag. If you close tag and it still look like this, so the code or your code is uh, what close from the truth, you know. If you found maybe here after this section a div tag close tag from the div, so that's a sign your code is wrong, like that. Okay, we move to the next section, and that is client section. And still same as always, we have to put section. Oh no, we have to put a note here, clients section, and copy, alt shift down, and this put here and off. Okay, and then section with ID clients, and enter and put here class. No, yeah, put class padding top as always 36, but padding bottom. Padding bottom I will put here like about section, so I will put here 32, and then background I will make background to the color. Background set maybe this. Okay, that's enough. You can't see that yet because we haven't put any content here. And next, as always, we put container no with class container, enter, inside container is with full, and padding left and right 4. Okay, now as you can see here, we will part to the two part. Okay, the first one is this one. This is one part, imagine there is a box here and also a box here, so it parted to the two boxes, so you can make this one like this. You can copy this, alt shift down. Each of this tag is parted, each of these tag is have a its own content. The first one is just text, but the second one is logos, like right, logos and text. Okay, we put here h4, h2, and paragraph. H4 clients, and h2 collaborated with, we change to the English, and then paragraph with lorem, paragraph lorem, maybe we put here 17. No, that's enough. And we look at the browser and it will look like this. No, oh, we forgot something. We have to put here, okay, we have to put before h4 a new div with text center, but before that I want to put mx auto first, auto, and text center, and then margin bottom I'll put also 16. Save. Put the class tag after this v, and fix this, nah, like this. Okay, no this one, nah. Okay, control save, so it will look like this, and we, nah, it will like this. So we have to put some classes. H4, I want to make it font semi-bold and also large, and then text primary and also margin bottom too. Save. Nah, it's like that. It's not right. But the background is not working. Why? Because, or maybe we will fix it later. Just focus on this section, at this section. Class font bold and text white, and also text. I want to change the size, and also what, text white, text 3XL, and then margin bottom is 4. And when the screen tone is small, so the text turn to the 4XL, and the large, when screen turn to the large, so the text turn to the 5XL. Oh no, why? So the text 5XL, right? 5XL, sorry. Save. Okay, don't forget, each you turn off your PC or desktop, so don't forget to start or run your code. This one. Don't forget to watch or rewatch your code. And okay. Clients, and so we will style this now to font medium and text to the medium also. Oh, but no, text base. Control save. Yeah, text base and text to the secondary, and then when the screen turn to the medium, so the text turn to the large. Sorry, sorry, no, not left, that's large, and then north. Look, medium. Nah, as you can see, right? Medium. Yeah. Okay, that's enough for tag paragraph. And now is for the logos. And here I want to just copy, or I want to fill it fastly, quickly. And yeah, the first one is this: put a logo inside new div, and class is flex. It will turn all div to the row, not column. Flex warp and items center and justify center. Now inside this div is logos. First one is Google, and we will warp it with a tag, but the ref or direction we will put it a hashtag. You can change it by yourself. And the class is sorry. Yeah. Okay, class. It's okay. The class is this. Save. Yeah. The class is this. But before we move to the class, I want you all to download Google SVG and put inside clients here. We don't have any folder clients, so we will make inside image put clients. Okay. Now inside this we'll put SVG and I download SVG at here. Sorry. Google logo SVG at the here. Nah, no, at I download it at wiki comments. So we will put here again wiki. Nah, this one. Okay, open and download. Open this. Nah, and download it. Right click and save as and put inside our no our folder at this image clients. Now put inside here and rename it with Google. Okay, and you can do with all logos as you want. Now I put this Google, Gojek, Tokopedia, and Traveloka. Okay, it's just for example, right? So don't get it wrong. I'm sorry if I use a copyright logo. So when we look, I have linked this image to this one. So now it look like this. Now why? Because first one, I put max width to the 120 px. So it's just little. When we remove this, now it getting bigger, but I want to make this just 120 px. And also I put padding for each left and right for each side is 4 or 16 px, and also padding this is margin and padding y or padding top and bottom is 16 px also. And then grayscale. Now grayscale is to make the logo turn to the black and white or to the grayscale. And opacity, we make this opacity to the 16. Transition is for hover. This is hover. Now transition and with duration 500 millisecond. And hover. Now when I hover or I put the cursor over or on the logo, hover grayscale 0. So the grayscale will turn to the 0. And also opacity will turn back to the 100 like that. Now, and then when the screen turn to the large, I will make the padding, I'm sorry, I will make the margin for each side, for left and right to the 6. The first one is 4 or 16 px, and when the screen turn to the large, so I change it to the 24 px, and also when the screen turn to the extra large, so the margin will increase to the 32 pixel. Nah, and what we need is just copy all of this. Alt Shift down, Alt Shift down, Alt Shift down, and we need just 4. If you want to add more, just add maybe 6 if you want. But I want to put here just 4 logos. Okay, the second is Gojek, and the third is Traveloka. No, Tokopedia. Tokopedia, and the last is Traveloka. Save, and I will turn it quickly. And that is the result. Yeah, I do it quickly, right? Just a second. This is I didn't change the classes at A, but that I changed this direction source. I just change the source from each logos, and I have download some of logo with SVG extension with the wiki comments like logo like the first one, like this one, and just search at here. Just search maybe Traveloka or Tokopedia, Pedia logo, nothing. Tokopedia, Tokopedia SVG. Nah, there is logo Tokopedia SVG. Just download it here. Okay, that's the 4 logo, and the next is this latest post or blog, right? Blog. What we will do is just copy this because it's still same, right? Same like this. Just copy and erase the content. And you need is just like this. Okay, we will close it and delete it and put after that. If you want to copy from this section, you you can do that. But if you not want copy, just type this like this section and edit the sum of classes. But I want to do is just copy. Nah. Okay, close. Don't forget to close. Add client section. Now we have 2 client section. Just okay, this. Nah. Remove and rename with blog, and this one to blog. Save and open. This is we change it to the blog. Save. Now all we need to do is change this background to the more lighter 100. Save. Nah, and then we need to erase this. We need to erase this. Zip. Nah, so we can focus it on this. We also erase this. Okay. Now we will add some MX, not auto, but MXW XL text center, sorry, MX auto and text center, and MB16 and clients is first font semi bold with text large, and also we want to change the color to the primary, and next is margin bottom to save look. Nah, it changed. Nah, this is we just need to change this to the dark. Nah, and also sorry, and also this we will leave this, and this one leave, and leave also. Okay, we just need to change the color. And next in the paragraph on medium text, okay, and then text secondary and the text large. Okay, we leave this like this, but for lorem we want to make it more less than this. If the up is 18, but so the section we will put 14, just 14. Okay, save. Nah, we also change the content to latest or blog first, and this to the latest post. Oh no, latest post. Save. It's like this, and inside here we will put three boxes. Three boxes. Okay, but before this, I will put. Oh no, we change this first. So this flex warp. Nah, inside this class, we put. Okay, we put with full. Sorry, with full, and also I want to change the padding left and right to 16, and when the screen turn to the large, width also turn to the half, and when screen to the extra large, so the width will turn it to the this. Okay, now this is for this is right. Okay, now inside this is we will make this to the 3. This is the first one. Now inside this is a content. Okay, first one I will put a class here, background white, and also rounded, because I want to make it I want to make some border radius. Nah, it's enough, that's enough. And then also shadow large, and overflow hidden, margin bottom 10. Okay, now the first one is image, and after that After that, after image, the first one is image, and after that this title and the content, the paragraph. Okay, image source we will take from source unsplash for unsplash.com with the size this x programming. No, this wrong. Nah, I hope it will work. Nah, it work, right? Working, it's working. The first one is programming, and put a class here or with a class we full save, and after image is new div with class none. Okay, and anchor tag programming tips. This is for title. Nah, this is for title, and after this one is tag p with lorem maybe 16. It's enough. No, too much. Lorem 10. Nah, no. Lorem 13. Okay, lorem 13. And last thing is anchor tag, no direction, read more. Okay, and then we will change class here for this. Okay, we will change the padding top and bottom to the 8 and px 6 if okay, that's enough, and this. Okay, we forgot to put something here before anchor tag h3, because I want to make this more like heading. Delphi. Nah, save, and we put class here to styling. No, we make this, we leave this, and we will put class here, class, and put here hashtag was no direction, hashtag, and class block. We make this block first, and we change the margin bottom, and also font semi bold, and then also text cell, and also No. Text dark, and then I want to, when I hover over the on the this, I want to make this like, I want to change the color to the to this color. So put hover and text primary. No, it's not working. Well, nah, it worked. Text primary and truncate. We put truncate, so when the when the title is too long, it will look like this. No. Put it more. Nah, it will put a three dot here. Okay. Control Z. It's like save. And next, we will style p tag class with font medium. And also text space, text secondary for the color, and then last is margin bottom 6. Save. Okay, and the last thing is class. Here, first font medium and text small and text white, background. I want to change the background to the primary. Nah, select this, and the first one is padding top and bottom to just 2, and padding left and right 4, and rounded. Nah, I want to make it rounded, large. Save. Okay, and then next is hover, opacity 18. Okay, some wrong here because okay, why it's not don't have a padding, because here I put the close tag here. The truth, I will put it here. Nah, so yeah, okay, it look like this. So all we need is just copy from this to this. Alt shift down, Alt shift down. Okay, and all we need is just change the first one. We will change. We will change the picture to the what? To the keyboard or to the PC. No, computer. Computer. Okay, and maybe we will change this to the what Okay, okay, and leave this and leave this. And the last, we will maybe we'll put here what, some food, right? Pizza. Nah, it's look like delicious. And how to make? Okay, that's enough. Why maybe we change this? Artificial intel intelligence intelligence save. Okay, when we look at our browser, oh no, now that's enough. Okay, that's enough, and we move to the next section. We'll close it first, close the block section, and we will move to the next section, and that section is contact us. The first thing what we need to do is, as always, create a node contact section, and then the end of contact section. I'll shift down. Okay, and off. Control save and delete. Okay. Now inside this, the first one, as always, put section with hashtag contact. Okay. Now inside contact, as always, container. Inside container, there is two. Oh no, that's just one. Okay, there is two section, two part. The first one is contact us. We will warp this with just div, and the second one is form form section. From this to this. Okay, and for contact, the first one, we just need to copy from block, from this to this. Control C, close. No. Close again. Put inside here. Change. Okay. Change the block with contact. Contact. And then here, change latest post with contact us and leave the lorem text. Oh, I forgot to put class here with pt 36 and pb 32. Okay, that's enough. We look at here. Okay. Oh, we forgot to make this one, to change the background color. Nah, biggest slate. Shift Control save. Okay. Nah, it feel different. No. This. Nah, it feel a little bit different. Okay. Move to the next section, like I said, to the form section. Form. Okay, now insert, I'm sorry, and leave action, just leave it. Or maybe we can remove, because in this video I don't make a JavaScript text to respond this section. I just put JavaScript at barger. I mean this one. Oh, the barger is not. This doesn't appear. Maybe this one. This barger. No, 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 no. Responsive. Why it look like this? 100%. No, no. Okay, okay. As you know, like, there is a barger here. I put JavaScript just at navigation. So we just leave the form like this, and then we put inside form a class, div with class with full, and we put inside the full width. When the screen turn to the large, so the width will change to the 2 or 3. And also when the screen turn to the large, I want to make the margin left and right to the auto save. Okay, no, there's nothing to see here because I don't put any content inside here. And we have to put 3 div, but just style one div and copy that to the 3 div with class with full as always. Okay, with full, and next px for mb margin bottom 8. Save. Okay, and next is label for name with content name, and I want to style this first with text space. This for medium text primary, and next I want to change to the bold. Save. When we look at the bottom, nah, it's like this, and then after label, put input type text, and id name. This for JavaScript, and also class. Don't forget, I want to start it. Class with full. I want to change the background to the slate 200. Save. When we look at it now, it appear, and also text. I want to turn text to the dark, and then padding 3, and make this to the. I want to make this. I want to add here rounded or border radius to the medium. Save. We look at here. refresh. Nah, okay. But when we make the screen to the large, okay, let's check it. Nah, why it look like this? It's maybe we need more change here. Okay, rounded medium, and also we need add some focus. So when it click up outline, none. If none, right? And also focus ring, and then focus ring one. Focus, I'm sorry, focus ring one. Okay, and focus border primary. See, so when we click this, it will change. Nah, it have a border and like that. Okay, so the next step is just copy all of this one, all of this thing to the tree, because we need three. 1, 2, 3, and change the last with text area. Okay, 1, 2. Okay, the second is not name but email. Email, and change also for email, and then text, not text but email, and also ID, email, and yeah, it's like that. And the last is message. Message with 4, of course, message. Sorry, message. And this one is not input but text area. Text area. Save and put close tag here. Save. Nah, especially for message, there is some class I will change, like what, like this text area. Nah, I want to put here. I will not change, but I will add some. I will add more, like age 32. So the height will turn to the 32. And we will check why here, because nah, it same like. And the last thing is button. Button. I'm sorry, button. Width as always full, and px is for save, and then button with a content send, and then class text space font semi bold, and text y PG primary and PG3 px 8. Okay, now it looks like this and also rounded full. Okay, and then next is I want to make it. Oh no, it's placed here. And but when the screen turn to the large, maybe look like this. Okay, just focus it on the hover first. Hover. Rounded full. Oh bah, we forgot something. Wait, full. Okay, and hover. Hover shadow large. Oh, this is wrong. Opacity to the 80 and also transition duration 500 millisecond. Nah, okay, it's look good, and we enough with this section with contact us. That's enough. And the last thing, no, not last, but it's a simple thing. We will add maybe just okay. We will add this one, the all of this footer, and we can close this. And nah, actually it's simple. It's just little, but when we expand that, it will turn to the uh, much much code. And next, we will add a footer, and also this and of footer, and we will not put section but footer immediately with the ID. No, we don't need ID at footer. I want to change the background first to the black. No, not black, but this more dark. So just turn background dark. It will link it to the this if you forgot dark this color and background dark, and also padding top 24 and padding bottom 12. Save inside footer as always. Container. Inside container we will use flex. We will use flex and flex warp because we will warp this to the three section. So to the three div. So the first one is div with class with full as always, and also padding left and right 4, margin bottom 12, text lit text rate 13. This is for font, and font I want to change it to the medium, and when the screen to the medium, width also change to the 1 of 3 part. Okay, now inside this there is h2, h3, and paragraph. The first one is h2 with the logo MFA. This is my logo, and after that is h3 with contact us, and also p tag with email. So I put my email here, and that's my email, and this is my address. My address at Dayu Market Jonggol, and it placed at Bogor. Save. It's enough, but I want to make this more bigger and bolder. So we need class here with font bold, and text for SL, and then next is text. I want to turn it to the white, and also margin bottom 5. Okay, save and contact just little. Plus font also I want to turn it to the bold. Sorry, why it don't change? Font bold, and next is text. Okay, and margin bottom 2. Okay, save, and we leave the paragraph like this. That's enough. And now to the next section. How we need just no. We have to make a new div here below this div with same class. Maybe we just need to copy and here. Okay. Inside this, it have h3 with the same here. No. Okay, we need to add post here for the content, and also this class is class fonts Mibo, and then text XL, and text I will want to make it white, and margin bottom is 5. Save, and for this one make with ul or unordered list. Ul inside that li with anchor tag, put it to the nothing with programming. Save. Okay, this is linked to this one. Programming tips. programming tips, and then programming all we need is style this one, and after that copy inline block text space over text primary and mb3, save and copy this to the tree. I'll done, save and change programming. The second one is about computer technology, so we need to add here technology, and the last thing is pizza, so we add here food. It works. Okay. Save. Don't forget to save. And that's enough for this. And the last thing is this one, links. We also use an advert list. So all we need is just copy. Okay. Alt shift down and copy, change with links, and oh yeah, we forgot to add here text late. I want to use also text late. I want to change the color to the text late or gray. Text late 13, sorry, class text late 13, save. I'm sorry. And inside, oh, and before that, h3 function, blah, 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 blah. Yes, this is right, and all we need to do is copy this to the 1 2 3 4 5 6. So block all this and I'll shift down it through to the 6 and change to the each section. The first one is this home, and next is about me, and third is portfolio. The first one is home, next is about me, third is portfolio, and next is clients, and after that client and blog, and last context. Blog, and last thing is contact. Save. Okay. Oh, it's not working because yes, it's work. Say text wrap WRAP text wrap. Okay. And when we click it, it turns to the home, and we brought me to the home, and another. Okay, back to the home. And the last thing I want to add here in my portfolio is this one, the most difficult thing for me. Yeah, the navigation. This is navigation or navbar. Navbar here I will put before hero section. Okay, then this is navbar. And all we need to do the first is add here. Sorry, add here. Why it not working? Because maybe save. We will save it first. Okay. Nah, navigation nav, or we just add here header, massive down, put some space, and also here put some space too, and edit here and of header. The first one I will same like footer. We will not use section, but we use header. Header with what? And next is we still use container as always, but there's a different here. We don't put here any of ID because it placed at the top, so you don't use any ID. But we still use class with the background transparent and absolute. So position is absolute with the top 0, so it always at the top, and left also 0 with width full screen, and flex. So the items or the children of this header is will present column like that. And flex items and item center, and then z index. Why z index? So it will appear on the screen. Yeah, at the ahead. Okay, at the front. The front. So after container, we will put more class with flex, and also inside flex is item center, and just define between and relative. Why between? Because here when we look at here, nah, between logo and navigation. So in position relative. Okay, and the first one is we make class for logo, class px. Okay, with tag a ref home, and insert this is my logo is Muhammad Fatil Ali, and class with font bold. I want to make that bold, and text is large, plus large, and also the color to the primary, and want to make this block so I can make change at the padding. Save. Now this. Okay. Next one. The first one is here. Yeah. Flex item center. And the next one is here. Nah, below vx4. Below vx4, we add a class flex, and this section of this div is for navigation. So we'll put flex here, and then after that item center, and px or padding left and right or 6. Okay, that's enough. And the next is the content. The first one, I want to make a burger thing. So if you take attention, I make this portfolio. The actual size is for the first size is for phone, but also for I make also for desktop with responsive. So the first thing I make this is for phone and add more responsive for desktop. So I will make this burger. This just for sorry, this just for phone. Burger. And yeah, this is ID or sorry, we don't use div, but we use button. ID burger with name burger also, and then type button, and then class class with the block and also absolute position absolute and present and right. And when the screen turn to the large, so it will hidden, it will got save. And we look here now, when the min with this size, so displaying none or hidden. Now inside button, I will make 3 div with the same class. Oh no, with the different class for the second one. Just type here div. Okay, I'll save down. Now 3 div, and this div is for like this 3 line, and we call it burger. So leave this empty. The first, I want to make a class hamburger line. Hamburger line. Sorry, hamburger line transition, and duration is 300, and is in out, and origin top left. Sorry, top left. Zip. Okay, and we copy this to the Control C to the third one. Sorry, this class from the class. Control C to the third. Control V. Now, but for the second one, we will remove this origin top left. Okay, save. Yeah. Okay. and we can see the burger because we have to style again at here input CSS. Nah, why we have to style here? Because it will appear with the input CSS. So this style here, and also I will change the text, all text, all of the text, font family. Sorry, font family. I will change to the inter and also sans serif or sans serif save. It changed right, the sans serif or inter. Put here and save. Okay, and the next is here. Before that, maybe we just leave the burger things. So I will close this burger. I will close the burger and we move ahead to the navigation. And it placed here below the button. There's navigation. Wait, okay, this navigation. And inside navigation is all, and inside all is always leave. And first, I will style this one. ID. This is for JavaScript. Nav menu and class. I will styling here hidden. Why it's hidden? Because, like I said, I will style here. I will put all of the style for mobile things. Absolute position, absolute, and padding Y or padding top and bottom 5, and next background white, and then shadow large, rounded large, and max width is px. Okay, and then I will add also width is full, and then right is 4, and also top full, and when screen turn to the large, so it will it will make it will turn to the block, not in line block. And also when the large to the static, and also when the screen to the large, the background I will turn it to the transparent, and also max width full, and shadow to none, and large lasting rounded none. Save. It will not appear here because hidden, right? Hidden. Okay, the first thing I will type here. Oh, before that, put inside here class large when it to the large, so it will turn to the flags. When the screen to the large, turn to the flags. So this Lee first put class here group can leave and put inside here anchor tag with the first one I will put home. Yes, okay, home. But put here class. We can see that because we add mobile screen. It will appear at desktop screen. Okay, yes. Class here. First one is the text to the page and text from and color is dark and add some padding top and bottom too and margin left and right 8 margin left mx8 and also display flags group over x primary left. Okay, just that. When we look at our screen here, nah, it appear right. So all we need is just copy this to 6, right? 1, so it hero, sorry, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Footer, we don't need footer, so 6. Alt shift down, 4, 5, 6, and we change each of this home. The next part is about, about, and the next is portfolio, and next after portfolio clients, right? Clients, and after that blog. Last is contact. We will change this to home to the contact, and this is to the blog. Okay, and this to the clients, and here is portfolio, and here is about me. Okay, when we look at here, when we click it, first one is here, home. Second, about me. Third, portfolio. Okay, and next is client. Oh, maybe we'll fix it. And blog, working, and oh no. Okay, go live. And contact work. So we will fix context because it not going anywhere. Oh no, clients. I think it use S. Okay, clients, right? Clients with S. So I'll put here S. Clients. Save. Alright. That's for navigation and desktop. And that's enough. Nah. The things that I want to tell you here will cause this. And we will cause this now. And also here, I want to tell you in this input CSS, you can add some of things that will change the burger. So the burger will appear here. Okay, input, right? Input CSS. So the burger will appear here. How we do that? First one, navbar fix. No, wait. So put here. The first one is class navbar fix, and the next we will put this and put inside here apply fix it z mm, okay 999 the bigger z index, the biggest z index, and background opacity is 18, sorry, opacity next for close angle and backdrop filter to the blur 5px. If you look at this one, not this but this, okay, wait, nah, so the background turn to the blur, so and we make this blur with this one, backdrop blur 5px plus with this and box shadow inset 0 min 1px 0 0 RGBA. The color is 0. Okay, this is the color. Close. And next, we will style hamburger line. Hamburger line. When we look here, earlier we add here hamburger line. Okay, hamburger line. So I will style this at input hamburger line. This is will apply it at all of hamburger line. Apply width, just this px 30px 8 2px. Okay, we forgot to put here. Next is margin top and bottom 2 and background is dark. So when we look here, I not appear. Nah, it appeared here. Width 30px, height is 2px, and if you want to add here 5. If you want to try to like this that, I want to put here just to save. Look, it's no. And close. And next is hamburger. Okay, and next is we will put some JavaScript things at here. We add a file JavaScript JS, and inside this file we add script.js. Enter. Okay, and don't forget to link this HTML file to the script.js because we want to make a style here. Script src this js script.js save, and we will begin a styling here, and we will begin styling here. Oh no, we will begin scripting here because javascript is script, and the before we script our javascript, make sure our html is linked to the javascript here, and put javascript file inside javascript folder, and js folder is inside distribution or this folder. Okay, and then we gonna put here window sorry window on scroll function. The first one we will put here a variable cons sorry cons header, and the value is document with query selector, and we'll take a value from header right, and close. And next is we will also put here variable constanta with name fixed navigation fixed nav fixed nav, and put inside here header also also from the header of setup close. Okay, and next we will make a condition here if make a logica here if, and this is condition window page I'm sorry page offset. It will appear like this is deprecated or is not used, but just type here, just type like this, just type it like this, fixed nav. So when the window is more or less or little than fixed nav, so header class list add nav bar fixed but not appear else header class list remove this navbar fixed close tag, and yeah, that's enough. Save. So when it look like if the window or picky offset more or less or more or little, then fixed enough, and inside fixed enough is header offset top, and header is linked to here. So the core is this. So do header class list. So do class navbar fixed, and navbar fixed class is in here. Now this is the navbar fixed, and if the the condition is not like this, so remove this navbar fixed, and we will put here also hamburger line, and then hamburger active, yeah, a class for JavaScript, and we will scripting here again. And the first, before we continue our script, we will add here at the CSS, at the input CSS, some new CSS for JavaScript. The name is burger. Oh no, hamburger. We take a look here at our header hamburger line. So we will put, or maybe we add this hamburger. So it will the same as like other hamburger. Okay, hamburger line, and then active, hamburger active, hamburger active if child, or it mean hamburger active inside first child of div. When we look this, now the first child of hamburger, this one, it means this, the first child, and the position is at div first inside this one, because hamburger active will appear here. Okay, and we will style here apply rotate 45 close. When we click it, there's nothing happen because we didn't style it yet. But if we check at our inspect, I hope it works. Wait a second. Okay, and inspect, we will see if this working or not. No, not here. Oh, body. Okay, header, container, set container. There's this, and okay, we will expand this first. It working or not? Okay. What happened earlier? No. Okay. This worker name block absolute. No, here. What this one? Hamburger. Okay, it's not working because we didn't scripting it yet. What we are scripted earlier is for this. Now, when we scroll, the navbar will appear like this. The background opacity is 18 and blur, and also it have a box shadow inner. Okay, when n will appear fixed at the top like this. Okay, we move to our class, to our CSS. Hamburger active, this is the first side. I will rotate this to the 45. So if you want to see, we have to move to the next script. But before that, I want to make a note here. This is for scrolling. Scrolling. Let's stop. And I will put note here. Hamburger. The first thing you need to do is constant. Hamburger. Okay, put constanta here with the name hamburger, and the value is document query selector again. Query selector and select this one, hamburger. Nah, so it will link it to here. To ID hamburger. Next, we will put constant again with the name nav menu document query selector, and we'll take data from here, nav menu, menu, and we'll link it to here. Nav menu, where is it? Nah, this nav menu. And next was hamburger. Hamburger with add even it linked to here. Nah, okay. Add even listener when it click and function sorry function is hamburger class list toggle hamburger active. Okay, close, and next we put more this nav menu class list, and then same toggle hidden and close. Don't forget to put close tag here. Save. So I hope it's working. Nah, okay, it worked, right? It works. Hamburger active here. But the rotate is not applied. I don't know. maybe we have to move. Wait second. It's back. What happened with this? Nah, okay. Rotate 45 and next. The hell? Child. Oh, this wrong. This is a typo here. Child. Nah, it's not working again. Hamburger active. Div child 1. Apply. Rotate 45. But it's not working. We have to move. Next is we will copy this. Alt shift down, enter, and also enter. This is number 2 and this is for number 3. Rotate 45, rotate. Okay. And yeah, earlier I forgot to run my watch again, so don't forget to run your watch here at your terminal like this. And don't forget to rewatch it. Okay, it's work. So it's look like this. When I click it here, the first one. Nah, save. When I click here, what will happen? Nah, just the first one. It will rotate to the 45-degree. And next, the second one, we will copy this to the tree. Alt shift down. Okay, put some enter here. Put some space. This space too. And the second, I will not apply the rotate 45. I will erase the second one. So I will turn the second scale 0. So it will disappear. And the third is minus 45. So it look like this. Control save. No, like this. Okay. No. Why is this the first? Maybe. Oh, I forgot to change the number. Third. Save. Let me look here. Nah. Rotate 45 is applied. Okay. We look here. Also, it's applied. It's look. But I will put some more here. Origin of left. Save. Is that working? Okay, it's working. Yeah. So that's the code here, and that is the last for me. So this is the result. When I put here, it's okay. So like this, right? Nah, and we move to the top with this. Okay, it's work. About me works. Portfolio also works. Clients working. Blog works. Contact works. And the screen when turned to the mobile. Nah, it's look like this. Home works. About me, portfolio, clients, blog, contact. Back to the home, but I want to uh, make the scrolling. When I click this, it's more smoother than this. It's more smooth. So I put at inside HTML, close this first. Nah, it should need, right? And inside HTML, put a class scroll smooth. Nah, scroll smooth. This is for Tailwind. So when I click bot me, no, it's not working. Bot me, not working. Why? Bot me portfolio. Nah, it's work, right? Boom. Bot me portfolio clients, blog, contact, and the last is footer. When I click to the home, so it will scroll to the header or to the home back to the top smoothly. And that is for me. And last thing, I will run or I will deploy this portfolio to the my GitHub. I will deploy this to the my GitHub. And the first thing you need to do is login to your GitHub account. And yeah, this is the last part of my video. I will deploy this portfolio to the GitHub. First one, log in to your GitHub. Now, after you log into your GitHub account, it looks like this. This is my GitHub dashboard. First thing you need to do is this. Make a new repository. The name of the repository is up to you, but it will be better if you name your repository that have a connect or have a connect, right, with your project. My project is my portfolio, so I will name my repository with my with this portfolio Tailwind, because I use Tailwind CSS. Okay. After that, click a new repository. Okay, and this is the we will link to this web browse, whatever. So all we need to do is this: git init. The first thing is git init. We will put inside this one terminal. We will play a terminal again, but the first thing we will erase all of this. Terminal, new terminal. But the first one, we need to stop watching this. Now we have to stop this. And how we stop that? We just need to erase and click this Control C. I'm sorry. Rewatch again and click wait. Okay, rebuilding. Click Control C. Control C again. Okay. The job is terminated. His job. And click clear. Okay. Okay, the first thing you need to do is type here git init and enter. Okay, initialize it. So it will turn like this. Nah, but this sign means all of this green color will upload it to the repository, to our repository here. but I don't want to do that because I don't want to put node modules inside repository because it's too much folder and files here. So the first thing I need to do is click here outside portfolio or in insert portfolio. I'm sorry, insert portfolio and outside anything here. Create a new file with name dot git ignore. Okay, git ignore. Enter. And this file is the job of the file is like its name, to ignore everything what we write inside this file. And I want to ignore this file, so I just need to type the name of folder node underscore module with modules save. Okay, so the color will turn to the gray, so it ignored. So the next we will do git init and git add. Git add, enter. Okay, and next is type clear first to make it clear, and next we will copy this, or if you wanna type or write by yourself you can do that, but I want to copy. Git commit min m, control V. First commit, you can rename first commit with anything what you want, but I want to rename this with portfolio portfolio with Tailwind CSS. Enter. Okay, and type clear again to make it clear. Clear. And then next step is this. We have to put our repository inside mine branch to the mine. Control C, and next is Control V again, enter. And this one also we have to write again at the terminal. Control V, enter. And the last thing it is we have to write this git push u origin man. Control C, Control V, and enter. If there if your works is going well, so it look like this, yeah? Nothing error here. And when you reload the repository, nah, all of our files here except modules is uploaded here, but uh, our portfolio is not applied yet, so just for me, if you want another people or other people or see your project, you need to deploy. And deploy, we use settings, and next is page. Okay, page at the left side, page, and deploy for branch, right? And in select the mine. Okay, and leave this like that. Don't uh, don't make change here. Just add mine and click save. The GitHub will upload So if you wanna see the progress, click action and click this. Nah, this is the progress. Yeah. With the status is in progress, total duration will appear later. Now, if the page turn to this like this, it means it's finally success. Look at the status, success, and total duration is less than 1 minute. Now, if you want to see, click this on action or click this one or at settings and back to the page. Now here, visit site. Nah, so it's deployed, right? The project collaborated with, yeah, it works, everything works. And also this works and this. So, okay, that's the last part of my video. The last part is deploy our project to GitHub. And that's for me. And thank you for your attention from the first video until the last. If you watch this video until last. And I apologize if there are any bad word or bad pronunciation come of my mouth. And thank you for attention. And last word, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.